it jogs in my memory. I always go against this, like, I use this phrase, cool for school attitude towards money these days, where I think that's a religion with people. And they say things that they think are cool to say, like, yeah, I don't deal with the draft because, it's not really worth my time. I couldn't make enough money doing it. And I'm like, I don't know what you are talking about. I have a curse right there. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, that is just completely incorrect. So, anyway, all of that. All of what we're talking about.
Oh, yeah, I know those things.
Flooring as far as your comfort in your home.
The exact same network as the BI-COIL.
Along with the
7 degrees from KXDS.
It's about a lot of truth, and it goes through kind of a litany of truths about God's presence among us.
Padre Ángel a menudo solía citar.
I call it poetry.
Está hermoso.
Pandemic. To give, to help, to thank, to heal. Boss Radio Network encourages you to remember your favorite broadcast ministry. They've been faithfully proclaiming the hope of the gospel during these challenging times. This Tuesday.
Just him bringing him in. I know he'll fit right.
I did it. That's how easy it is.
Anywhere where you can turn water off or on, it's a good preventative move for you to go at least once.
Budget look like, too? That's kind of actually the starting point for that conversation when you start to do the math of what you actually need for retirement. So we're happy to email that out to you and set up that 30.
At 45 to schedule your personal visit trip. Advantage's new IRS tax forgiveness program that may protect you from IRS collection agencies. Bring your friends to the Forester Suite.
When it's so cold until we lost consciousness, 873.
COVID. Nobody's going in for elective.
Sneak up there and get some of that, so I'm gonna check my schedule and see if I can read.
Straight through me. He's gonna give it to you. It's very.
And they're opposed to each other, except for one place, Calvary.
Wings, whatever. So, I'm like, Dad, can I get some boneless wings? He's like, dope, I'll get you some boneless wings.
Or those moped parts. Or those koi fish. You're looking at these koi fish and I got to get rid of these things.